Hello everybody. I want to show you what I just unboxed this. Got here today. When I unboxed, I didn't we recording the video. So this is here what I just unboxed this. That's the instant box, and they come with this is a base. Actually, they have it just in the box there. That's a base, and this one, and then they have the container here, the stainless steel, and this is a cover in the steaming rack, and this is a I think the ring sealing ring, and they have the power cord here. Also they have the little thing is on the side over here, so you can collect the water when you're cooking. The system they go down there. This lets me just put right for you here. There's have a caution to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Cook only in removable container. So to prevent you get the electrical shock, they only cook in this container. So this container is here the maximum filter, and then they have the fill up to that's the maximum. Don't go over that. And this one, it's a cover. They have the sealing ring here, and this is I think this one when the water come out, get out to put to drop right here. The thing I just show you there. I have never used this before, and they already have the sealing ring here, one of them here. So another extra right here. So when you cook a chicken, and then when you make the yogurt, you can use this one, so you don't smell chicken in yogurt. And this one, how to close this. You see this thing have to be on this side, the big one, the big side. So you have to put light up like this. That's it. And they have it come with the cooking timetable too. They have a chart here for you. They have everything here. How many minutes you need to cook black bean, navy beans. Small is 7-8 minutes, and D is 20 to 25 minutes. And that's also they have this book, Getting Started Guide, and there's a half here. Welcome to the world of instant cooking. I have read all over them yet. Initial setting here is a remove all packaged material from in and around the cooker, and verify that all parts are accounted for. Place the cooker on a table level surface away from external heat sources. Read all important sale girls in the include Sauté maintenance warranty booklets before use. Failure to do so may result in the property damage and or personal injury. Follow care and cleaning instruction in the include Sauté maintenance warranty booklets to wash the cooker before first use. Do not remove Sauté warning sticker from lid, serial number from bottom, and all rating label from back of cooker's base. Okay, they have here cooker park over wheel. Here they have the cover, and have instant pot, cooker base, bottom lid. So the lid in here, this one is a steam release valve, and this one flow valve, this one quick release button. Oh, so this one quick release button, yeah. And that's a handle, and lid position maker, and lid bends. Okay, let's see. Get the quick over. So see the open and close. This I already showed you. And this one, checking sealant drain and sealant rack. This the drain they already placed there, so I didn't do. Remove install float valve, and remove and install anti-block shield. Okay, let me show you another stuff. Let me open so you can see, and I'll show you another stuff here. Oh, you want to see in the bottom of this one right there. This one is a steaming rack. You see, that's the base, the bottom, and there's a two handle. So you put the stuff in here, steam a chicken or whatever, or corn or whatever you steam, and after done, you just remove it by holding the two handles, and you take it out. I think you don't need a lot of water because the base is this much. I think just a little bit water here. You can steam. You don't need water, a lot of water. I think so. I have never used this before, and I have never seen people use this before, so I have no idea. I bought it because my rice cooker is broken, and I have to cook on the stove. I have to pay a lot of attention, otherwise I got burnt rice. So while I'm searching for the rice cooker, and I see Bed Bath Beyond, they for Black Friday they're on sale. This one is I bought is $64.99. They said it's 100 and something, and they saw it $64.99. So I saw they have the rice functions. That's the main purpose for me to get this one. So they have another function that's great, and I can try on. Still, my main purpose is a rice cooker. Okay, so next time when I make something, I will record so you can see. That's for this. And for the instruction, I will go over at the end. So if anyone doesn't want to sit in here long to hear my second language English reading, then you can stop right here. You don't have to watch to the end. For those people who want it, or sometime in the future I need it, because after this book, what does, I have no idea. If I need it, I can go back to my video. Okay, that's thank you for watching. See you next video. For those people who want to leave now, and if you still with me, and I will see you later at the end of the video. Okay, one more thing before you go, I want to show you this. That's the outside of the box. You can see this. How does this box look like? Yeah, instant pot programmable pressure cooker, model dual block 60 V2, voltage 120 volts, 60 hertz, capacity 6 quart liter in millimet. quantity 1 piece, so blah blah blah. And this one forward for keep right mask, do not step on. That's for this outside, that's the box for shipping. For the box, the actual the instant box is right here. There's the instant box. The Small Kitchen America's #1 appliance brand. Duo plus and multi-use pressure cooker. Serve up to 6, 9-in-1 pressure cooker. Sauté, Sauté pan, slow cooker, rice rain cooker, Quart warmer, your maker, steamer, and sterilizer. Easy to touch, 1501 touch setting for soup, beans, rice, and more. Quick and easy, serve up to 70% cooking time. Easy seal lid, seal automatically and release steam with the touch of the button. Set Quart extra children drink include. Let's see this one. That's the extra one. And instant pot app. Download to access recipes, tips, and more. Get it on Google Play. Download on Apple Store. In here, this side, instant cook. You see the base here and the container and lids. And that's so why I don't know, restaurant quality meals 11 plus the built-in Saute feature, overheat protection, Sterilizer lock, and more. Cook up to 6 people. 6 Quart large capacity stainless steel pot. Easy to read display, cooking progress feature on a large bright LCD display. Easy sterilize, easy cleanse and sensitize baby bottles, canning equipment, and more. InstantPot.com, 12-month warranty. That's then here, Instant Pot app, download, access to recipe, tips, and more. That's an I think this in English and Spanish. It's the same I just read for you. In the side, just the fish, the include. What include? We have getting stock guide, sealing rack with handles, Saudi maintenance and quantity, sealing greens. 2, one is already in the list, and another one I just showed you. Detachable power cord, condensation collector. Okay, that's all. Oh, I see wrong. No. Okay, here, cooker parts. Steam release valve, this one. And next is a float valve, quick release button, lid handle, lid fins, lid position maker. That's in the instant pot, inner pot. And this one, the base, a cooker base, condensation rim, outer pot, cooker handles, control panel, base power socket, rear, hidden elements, and then in that's it. No. Is this crack? Is this damaged?